Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Cho, Kedawale, Kasakai. How are you all? Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to see a new topic. The topic is the recipients of the Bharat Ratna. So, today we see the list of the Bharat Ratna awardees. Who got the Bharat Ratna? We will see the list today. So, friends, today we are seeing the list of Bharat Ratna recipients. I am working hard and I am doing the Photoshop totally in system for all the competitors for the who are preparing for competitive exams. So please check it, look out. It will be very useful for DSC's competitive exams, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, which are I have been teaching you from along 1 month. So today we are seeing Bharat Ratna recipients. The first Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of the Indian country. In India, Bharat Ratna is the highest award, and the first recipient were three three peoples. Three peoples were got the Bharat Ratna award in 1954. They were the first was C. Rajagopalachari, Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. He got the Bharat Ratna Award in 1954 and was the first awardee of Bharat Ratna. And in the same year 1954, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President of India, is also given the Bharat Ratna. And the third was Sir C.V. Raman, who got Bharat Ratna in 1954. These three people got in same year on same day. C. Rajagopalachari, Chakravarti, Rajagopalachari, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and C.V. Raman. These three recipients were the first to receive the Bharat Ratna in the same year. So the next recipient was Bhagwan Das, who got Bharat Ratna in 1955. Along with Bhagwan Das, M. Visvesvaraya, Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya was also given the Bharat Ratna in the same year 1955. And Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, was also given the Bharat Ratna in the year 1955. In 1954, we have looked that three persons were given the Bharat Ratna award. In 1955 also, these three people, Bhagwan Das, Visvesvaraya and Jawaharlal Nehru, has given the Bharat Ratna award. After Jawaharlal Nehru, Govind Ballabh Pant has given the Bharat Ratna award in 1957, and Dondo Keshav Karve got Bharat Ratna award in 1958. And Dondo Keshav Karve is the oldest man to receive the Bharat Ratna award in his age of 100 in century. In 100 years, he has received the Bharat Ratna award. He is the oldest recipient of Bharat Ratna awardees. After Dondo Keshav Karve, Bidhan Chandra Roy has given the Bharat Ratna award in the year 1961, and Purushottam Das Tandon in 1961 was given the Bharat Ratna award. And after Purushottam Das Tandon, the first President of India, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, was also given the Bharat Ratna award in 1962. After Babu Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Zakir Hussain, the first Muslim President of India, has been awarded the Bharat Ratna award in 1963. Along with Zakir Hussain, Pandurang Vaman Kane in 1963, same year, has given these two people has received the Bharat Ratna award in 1963. And the next recipient was Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, who received Bharat Ratna posthumously. Posthumously means after death. After death, he received the award of Bharat Ratna. And the first Bharat Ratna recipients who had received the award posthumously was only Lal Bahadur Shastri. And after Lal Bahadur Shastri, the next recipient was Indira Gandhi, the third, the first woman Prime Minister of India. She was awarded in the year Bharat Ratna with 1971. After Indira Gandhi, V.V. Giri, Varahagiri Venkatagiri, the President of India. He was the President of India from 1969 to 1974. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1975. And after V.V. Giri, K. Kamaraj was given the Bharat Ratna in 1976 posthumously. Posthumously means after his death, Kamaraj's death, the award was given to him. After Kamaraj, the first naturalized citizen was Mother Teresa, and Mother Teresa was given the Bharat Ratna in the year 1980. After Mother Teresa, Vinoba Bhave, Acharya Vinoba Bhave was given the Bharat Ratna award in 1983 posthumously. Means after his death, the award was given by the government of India. After Vinoba Bhave, the next recipient was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, and the one point to be noted here is he is the first non-citizen of India. He belongs to the Pakistan. He is also known as the Frontier Gandhi. He was given Bharat Ratna in the year 1987, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, and is the first foreigner to be received the Bharat Ratna award. After Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, the next recipient was M.G. Ramachandran. Dr. M.G. Ramachandran, he was the Chief Minister of the Tamil Nadu state. He received Bharat Ratna in 1998 posthumously. After his death, he received this award. After Ramachandran, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution, has received the Bharat Ratna award in 1990 posthumously. After his death, he received this award. He got this award. And after Ambedkar, Nelson Mandela, the second non-citizen to receive this award. The first non-citizen was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, which he belongs to Pakistan, and the second is Nelson Mandela, which he belongs from South Africa. He received Bharat Ratna in 1990. And after Nelson Mandela, Rajiv Gandhi, the youngest Prime Minister of India, was received this Bharat Ratna award in 1991 after his death. Posthumously means after his death he got this award. After Rajiv Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Home Minister of the Independence India, has received this award on 1991 posthumously. After his death he received this award. After Sardar Patel, Morarji Desai, the first non-Congress Prime Minister of India from 1977 to 79, Janata Party founder, received this Bharat Ratna award in 1991. And after Morarji Desai, the next recipient was Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first Education Minister of India. He received this award in 1992 posthumously. After his death, he got this award. After Abul Kalam Azad, the founder of the Tata Groups, J.R.D. Tata, got Bharat Ratna award in 1992. And after J.R.D. Tata, Satyajit Ray in 1992 received the Bharat Ratna award. After Satyajit Ray, Gulzari Lal Nanda, he also acted as the President of India also. Gulzari Lal Nanda received this award on 1997. After Gulzari Lal Nanda, Haruna Asaf Ali received this award, Bharat Ratna, on 1997 posthumously. After her death, she received it. After Haruna Asaf Ali, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he also became the President of India and is also known as the father of missiles. Missile man he is also be called. He got Bharat Ratna in 1997 for his work in the work on in space technology. After Abdul Kalam, M.S. Subbalakshmi, the famous singer, received the Bharat Ratna award in 1998, and she was the first singer to be received the Bharat Ratna. After M.S. Subbalakshmi, Chidambaram Subramaniam received the Bharat Ratna award in 1998. After Subramaniam, JP, we know that J. Prakash Narayan, a freedom fighter. He received the Bharat Ratna award in 1999 posthumously. After his death, he received the award. After J. Prakash Narayan, Amartya Sen received the Bharat Ratna award in 1999. After Amartya Sen, Gopinath Bardoli received the Bharat Ratna in 1999 posthumously. After his death, he got this award. After Bardoli, Ravi Shankar received the Bharat Ratna in 1999. And after Ravi Shankar, Lata Mangeshkar received the Bharat Ratna in 2001. After Lata Mangeshkar, Ustad Bismillah Khan received the Bharat Ratna in 2001. Lata Mangeshkar and Bismillah Khan, two of them received same year. After Bismillah Khan, the award was given in 2009 to Bhim Sen Joshi. Bhim Sen Joshi received the Bharat Ratna in 2009. And after Bhim Sen Joshi, CNR Rao received the Bharat Ratna in 2014. And after CNR Rao, Sachin Tendulkar received the Bharat Ratna in 2014, and is also the youngest recipient in 40 years. In the age of 40, he received the Bharat Ratna award. Youngest recipient of Bharat Ratna award is. After Sachin Tendulkar, Madan Mohan Malavia received the Bharat Ratna in 2015 posthumously. After his death, he has gained the Bharat Ratna award. After Madan Mohan Malavia, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the first NDA Prime Minister of India, the first BJP Prime Minister of India, and also the founder of BJP, also received the Bharat Ratna in 2015. After Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Pranab Mukherjee, he also served in several portfolios of cabinet ministers, and he was also the President of India also. He got the Bharat Ratna in 2019. After Pranab Mukherjee, and here point to be noted here that recent Bharat Ratna awardees were the Pranab Mukherjee, Bhupen Hazarika, and Nanaji Deshmukh. This point to be noted. So the next 2019 awardee was Bhupen Hazarika, a singer who got this award posthumously, means after death he received this award. Bhupen Hazarika, who belongs to the state of Assam. And after Bhupen Hazarika, in the same year, Nanaji Deshmukh posthumously. In the recent year 2019, these awards were given to Bharat Ratna was given to Nanaji Deshmukh. So in 2019, Pranab Mukherjee, Bhupen Hazarika, and Nanaji Deshmukh has been given. In these three, two of them were posthumously after death, and Pranab Mukherjee was only the 11th person to be received this award. So friends, this today topic is this Bharat Ratna's recipients list I have taught you. So this is very important for all the DSP, DSC, all the competitive exams, group 1, 2, 3, 4. So prepare for it. All the best for your exams. Good luck for your upcoming exams. So if you like this video, like my channel, comment, subscribe, and share it. I will meet you in next topic. See you all.